This is a sensor suit for the Jong Group. I will quickly deliver the news from Latvia. Between Wednesday night and early Thursday morning, 2 Russian military drones violated the Latvian border. According to many media reports yesterday, the drones crossed over the eastern border area and then crashed inside Latvian territory. One crash site was reportedly near an oil storage facility, significantly raising local tensions. After the drone crashed, a fire started near the storage facility, and fire authorities and military personnel were quickly sent to the scene. Fortunately, it did not lead to a major explosion or a series of fires, and when the firefighters arrived, most of the flames had already died down. Currently, debris searches and investigations into the fire's cause are ongoing. Following the incident, Latvian military authorities issued an airspace threat alert for Balvia, Luza, and Rezekne regions. Residents near the eastern border were told to stay indoors at night and promptly report any suspicious objects. In particular, the Rezekne city government announced that all schools would be closed for 1 day on Thursday due to safety concerns. They explained that this measure was taken with the safety of students and staff as the top priority. This incident is being viewed as even more sensitive because it occurred amid ongoing rising tensions between Russia and NATO. Since Latvia is a NATO member, the issue of airspace violation is a very sensitive matter. Currently, the Latvian government is analyzing the exact flight path and intent of the drone, and it is known that they are also sharing relevant information with NATO. However, recently, Russia has been continuously sending manned aircraft or drones targeting Finland or the Baltic states, seemingly to observe how NATO responds. We will only know more details as time passes, but there are suspicions that Russia may be using gray zone tactics again. If there are further updates, I will make and upload another video. That concludes this video. Thank you.
Yeah.